You see guys, Ashby, I'm going outside and then she now sleeping already. How I'm going to grocery? Teacher for a day. Wait, Han, wait.
Don't escape school. Okay, you have this test.
Test. Yeah, test. Answer it, Ashby. Answer it. What is that?
You want a pencil? Okay.
Give her pencil. See, chick. Oh, take, she said.
Okay.
She said circle. Answer it, Ashby. You teach her, anak.
Is this?
Solmiox. Oh my God. This is the way she answer.
I'm just gonna pretend that you did them all correct.
Okay. She said chick. What is that, Ashby? Answer it.
No, mommy, don't. It's my students.
Ah, this is your student?
Yes.
Oh, sorry po.
I already told you a billion times to not disturb my students.
Sorry po.
You should say sorry, Madam Money.
Madam what?
Madam Money.
Madam Mana. Han, can you bring the rubbish, please? Only here in that side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kitchen?
Kitchen, no?
Don't put your feet on your desk. Okay. No! You will ruin the desk.
Hello, she's throwing. She threw it.
Oh yes.
What is that?
Here's your-
Where did you get that?
Here. Study now.
So we really want to become a teacher. And her is student there. And this is all her student, the toys. Oh, Ashby throw already. So, Ashby, you want to go with daddy?
She say hello. I want to be on TV.
Ashby, you want to go with daddy? Let's go.
And to go bye-bye, she?
You wanna go bye-bye?
No, I want her to be my student.
Yeah, she can explore in the car.
No, I'm not coming there though.
Let's go, we go out a while.
No.
It's already, you know, it's 1:55
No.
a.m. here. What time is it,
No.
honey? The exact time here?
No.
12:40.
12:40. Let's go na.
No.
Let's go somewhere.
No.
We're going out, guys. And it's raining. And it's late. We just want to go round. Ashby want to see the outside world. Look at your sister. She drawing something. She draw a
I'm
wolf.
making a comic.
Comics. Because she want to become a writer soon. So she's writing a comics.
Comics?
So what is all about the story?
I haven't decided yet.
You haven't decided yet. Let me see your wolf.
Not here.
There, oh, I saw it. Oh, here. This one. What's
can
this?
show
Ta-da.
No, not that one. It's
You again drawing?
yeah.
Okay.